What's good? We back with another video. Welcome back to the channel. This is F.O.M. My name is AL, and you know what we do here. We always trying to make good content, and let's get this video going. So, once again, you know I haven't did videos in so long, so I just decided, hey, I'm editing some images up right now, and I get a lot of customers, people who actually new to DTF, don't know how to size, don't know anything about cropping, resolution, transparency, anything like that. So what I'm going to do is do a quick tutorial and show you guys what I do when I get images from customers and they don't know anything. They just send the image to me and I go to work. So what I'm going to show you guys right here, instead of you guys stretching the image out, you want to know how to make the image bigger, and you get the dimensions that you're looking for, and then you can size it from there. That's what I do. I normally crop it down to get rid of all the excess areas on top, bottom, side to side, and then I actually start to size from there. And let me show you what I mean. So let me go ahead and grab my phone, turn it around, and show you what I did. I already have the image cropped, as you guys can see right here. So let me go back up to the actual edit window and step back. So this is how my image looks right here. So after I cropped it, so let me go backwards because I did it backwards, step back. So you will see this image right here, and you guys will figure out, instead of you trying to stretch this image to size it upward to bring it out to make it big and fit inside, if you can't do that, then you bring the edges to the image, is what I call. So you use your crop tool, you go ahead inside the side right here, and you hit this little edge right here where it says crop tool, go right here where it says crop tool, and it'll bring your border up, so you see the edges on the top right here, all sides. You'll see the crop tool, and you go ahead and just crop it down, bring it in all four sides, and once you finish and bringing it in all four sides, you go ahead and hit step back, bam, there you go. So it would come out looking like this. And from here you go up to your files, images, and you go to size, and you go ahead and size whatever size you want to size it to, and that should bring you where you want to be. And another thing too, if you go ahead and select this right here where it says see right here, proportion, if you select that right there, then that means that when you just go ahead and hit the top, it automatically would change it to the size you want to change it to. But I have the size I want, so I'm gonna leave it there. But when you go ahead and change it to the size, it's gonna automatically give you the actual height, so you wouldn't have to touch that unless you're going with custom sizes. Go ahead and check these boxes, uncheck them, and you can change the dimensions of that to whatever you see fit. But from there, that's what we have. So that is a quick little snippet of what I do, how I size my images, and how I crop the borders out, and then I size it to bring it up to the size I want it to be, my ideal size. And so we got 24 images that we have. So what we're gonna do is go through all 24 images, make sure we size them, make sure we change the resolution, make sure the DPI, everything is set right, and then we go ahead and hit save as. Once we hit save as, we're gonna name the file. Once we finish naming the file, we're gonna save it inside, let's say, download, so you can save yours in documents, or you have a custom folder with your images that you save into that folder. You can do that as well, however you want. So this is what I do. So this is done. We're gonna get to the next round of images. Once I have all of them ready from print format, then I'm gonna upload them, I'm gonna print them out, and then we're gonna make sure the customer gets their order in time. So for the ones that's watching the videos, like the content, if you have any questions, you need any manufacturing so far as the whole full suit top and bottom, or just need a cup manufacturer with your logo on it, it can be everything you want. Let me show you guys what I mean by that. So I did a little test thing on my candle for somebody just to show them on a quick video. I had nothing to press on, didn't want to waste no cups, so I said, hey, let me show you this DTF UV. So this is what this look like. So anybody looking for UV DTF, just hit me up. We got you guys. You can put anything, your logo, your business on here, a picture on here, memorabilia of somebody who rested in peace that you know that you remember reminiscing about. It could be anything. Just holla, just reach out to me. So cut this video short. Until then, thank you guys for watching, liking, commenting on my videos. If you subscribe to the channel, thank you as well. We out with another one.